is working with verbal equations or equation sentences. And what you guys will be doing is you'll be converting them into a standard equation and then solving that equation if they give us the answer or if they give us the word is. So here I have 10 more than a number, C, is 3. The one thing that I want you to realize is that when we see the word is, it's like putting an equal sign. So in math, the word is means equals. So 10 more than a number, C, is 3. So is 3, so equals 3. 10 more than a number. Well, more than means we're going to be adding. And a number, well, the number they're telling us to use is C. So 10 more than C. So 10 plus C equals 3. So then you would go through after you write the equation, because on these you're going to have a two-step process. You're going to have to write the equation, and then you're going to have to solve for C. So right now we have a positive 10. To get rid of it, it'd be minus 10. Minus 10. So we have C equals, different symbols, find the difference. So 7, the larger number was negative. So C equals negative 7 here. So you have to have the equation and the final answer on these. Okay, so let's try another one. N decreased by 13 is 50. So we should at least be able to do that part right away. So is 50 means equals 50. And then we have to understand some vocab terminology. So decreased means subtracted by. So I have N decreased by 13 equals 50. And I'm going to write that equals 50 closer. Okay, so now you're going to go through and you're going to solve through for N. So I want to get N by itself, right? So right now it's a negative 13 or a minus 13. The opposite is plus 13. So I'm showing my steps now. So I had my original equation, and now I'm showing the steps of solving it. So plus 13. N equals 50 plus 13 is 63. Okay, there's my second part of the process, is giving the final answer. A number increased by 9 is 45. So I want you to try that one on your whiteboard. And then also try this one out, and then you'll check back in just a minute. The difference between a number P and 6 is negative 14. So you should be able to at least do these parts. Okay, so go ahead and pause your video and then check back in just a minute to see what the final answers are. Pause the video, work your way through. For right now, just write the equations, and then we'll go through and answer them together. Okay, so the key thing is on these, if they don't tell you what letter to use, you can use any letter. So like on the first one, a number increased by 9. Well, they didn't say what to use for the number, so I'm just going to put N for number. Increased means to add, and then is 45, so equals 45. On the second one, the difference between a number P and 6, so difference means to subtract. So P minus 6, is means equals negative 14. Then you'll go through and work your way through to solve. So on the first one, you should have ended up with 36. And on the second one, you should have ended up with P equals negative 8. That's it for this lesson. So the key thing on these last few is just understanding words that are most commonly used. For addition, it might be sum, increased. For subtraction, it's usually difference, subtracted by, decreased by, things like that. So good luck with these, you guys. Just keep plugging away at them and giving it your best.